Hi guys, welcome back. How are you guys doing? I'm so happy to be back in my kitchen cooking up some good meal. Today my creation is coconut seafood vermicelli, and I'm featuring mussels and shrimp. So if you want to learn how to create this goodness, just keep watching. You all know my good old Miss Dash seasonings. I'm still loyal to them, so those are what I used, with some curry and some red crushed pepper. In my measuring spoons, I have salt, garlic, and pimento seeds. I have a can of coconut milk, and then I have the rice vermicelli noodles. Here we have cut up a small onion, tomato, bell green pepper, jalapeno, and some mushroom. Then we have our mussels, and we have the shrimp. And the shrimp is not cooked, but it was frozen, so I thawed it in the microwave, so that's why it have that color, but it's raw shrimp. I put my pot on the stove, and I kind of just turn the stove on high and kind of let it heat. It don't necessarily need to do that, but that's what I did. Here I'm adding my garlic. Then I added my pimento seeds. Then I added my coconut milk. Then I added salt. Then I added the mussels. Then I added pepper. This is crushed pepper. And remember guys, I also have a cut jalapeno, but I like spicy. So if you don't like spicy, you can skip this step. After the crushed pepper, I added Mr. seasoning and the curry. So you can just see what I'm doing. And I kind of just eyeball it, but you can always use a measuring spoon or something. Here I'm just shaking it up to get the seasoning off the mussels and into the coconut milk. You can use a spoon to stir it. I could have used a spoon and stir it. I don't know why, I just shook it up. So feel free to stir if that's what you prefer. I allowed the mussels to cook in the coconut sauce for about 5 to 7 minutes. I left it open, let it just boil, and then I added the shrimp. I then added the onion, green pepper, jalapeno, and mushroom, and I just stir it in. After stirring properly to distribute everything in the coconut milk, I added my rice vermicelli. I covered and cooked on high for about 5 minutes, then I took the cover off and flip it over. This is it about 7 minutes later, quick and easy. Guys, this was the finished product. It tasted so good. I can't begin to tell you how good this tasted. If you're a seafood lover, you need to try this. Even if you're not a seafood lover, this is so good. This is bomb. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any question, leave it below. And if you try this, let me know how it tastes. Thank you.